Do you want to speak English confidently in just 30 days? Many English learners around the world have the same dream. They want to speak English clearly, communicate with people from different countries, travel more comfortably, study abroad, or get better job opportunities. However, many learners feel frustrated because they spend months or even years studying English, yet they still feel nervous when it is time to speak. They understand English when they read books or watch videos, but when someone asks them a question, their mind suddenly becomes blank. If you have ever experienced this situation, don't worry, you are not alone. This happens to millions of English learners. And the good news is that there are simple and practical ways to improve your speaking skills faster than you think. The truth is that becoming fluent in English does not require extremely complicated grammar rules or memorizing thousands of difficult words. Fluency comes from practice, consistency, and using English in real situations. In this lesson, I will share a simple 30-day plan that can help you improve your English speaking skills step by step. This plan focuses on small, daily habits that build your confidence and help you use English naturally. We will talk about how to practice speaking every day, how to learn useful phrases, how to think in English, and how to use role-play conversations to build fluency. At the end of the lesson, you will also get a small exercise that you can practice immediately. If you follow these ideas and practice consistently, you will notice real improvement in your English speaking ability. The first and most important step to speaking fluent English is practicing speaking every single day. Many learners spend most of their time reading textbooks, studying grammar rules, or memorizing vocabulary lists. While these activities are helpful, they do not automatically make you a confident speaker. Speaking is a skill, just like playing a musical instrument or learning to ride a bicycle. You cannot become good at it by only reading about it. You must actually do it. Even if you only have 10 or 15 minutes each day, speaking regularly will train your brain to think and respond in English more quickly. You might wonder how you can practice speaking if you do not have a partner. The good news is that you can practice by yourself in many simple ways. One easy method is to talk about what you are doing during the day. For example, if you are cooking, you can say, "I am cutting vegetables." "I am boiling water," or "I am making dinner." If you are studying, you can say, "I am reading a lesson," or "I am learning new words today." These simple descriptions help you become comfortable forming sentences in English. Another useful method is recording your voice. When you record yourself speaking, you can listen again and notice your pronunciation and sentence structure. This simple habit can help you improve quickly.
Another important strategy for improving your English is learning useful daily phrases instead of focusing only on complex grammar. In real life, people communicate using natural phrases and expressions that they use again and again. When you learn these phrases, your English starts to sound more natural and confident. For example, instead of saying something very direct, like, "I want water," a more polite and natural phrase would be, "Could I have some water?" Instead of saying, "Give me information," you could say, "Could you please tell me more about it?" These small changes help your English sound more friendly and natural. Now let's try a small exercise. Complete these sentences using your own ideas. The first sentence is, "Today I feel." The second sentence is, "I want to improve my." The third sentence is, "Tomorrow I will practice English by." You can pause for a moment and finish these sentences. If you want even more practice, you can write your answers in a notebook and read them aloud several times. Consistency is one of the most powerful secrets to learning any language. Many people start learning English with great excitement, but after a few days or weeks, they stop practicing. The key to success is building small daily habits that you can continue for a long time. Even 10 minutes of practice each day can create significant improvement over a month. Imagine practicing speaking, listening, and thinking in English every day for 30 days. By the end of that month, your confidence will be much stronger. Another helpful tip is to surround yourself with English as much as possible. Change the language on your phone to English. Watch English videos with subtitles, read simple articles, and try writing short messages in English. The more exposure you have to the language, the faster you will learn. Think of English as part of your daily environment rather than just a subject to study. It is also important to remember that making mistakes is a natural part of learning. Many learners are afraid of speaking because they worry about saying something incorrectly. However, mistakes are actually valuable because they show you what you need to improve. Every fluent English speaker made many mistakes while learning. The difference is that they continued practicing and did not give up. Confidence grows with practice. When you speak more often, your brain becomes faster at forming sentences and your pronunciation becomes clearer. Over time, you will notice that conversations become easier and more enjoyable. Instead of feeling nervous, you will begin to feel excited about using English to connect with people and share your ideas. So remember this simple message. You do not need perfect English to communicate effectively. What you really need is courage, practice, and consistency. If you dedicate a small amount of time every day to speaking, listening, and thinking in English, you will gradually become more fluent and confident. As you continue your English learning journey, keep challenging yourself with new conversations, new vocabulary, and new experiences. Language learning is not just about grammar or vocabulary. It is about connecting with people, sharing ideas, and exploring the world through communication. If you follow these simple strategies and practice regularly over the next 30 days, you will notice meaningful progress in your speaking ability. Your sentences will become smoother, your confidence will grow, and you will feel more comfortable using English in real-life situations. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and remember that every small step you take brings you closer to becoming a fluent English speaker.